Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is December 31st, the last day of the year. Happy New Year's Eve. And Bitcoin is looking like it wants to pump to the upside. All right, let's get into it very quickly. We've been saying that we're likely to reverse. We said that all the way down here. Let's get into our tools. We said that all the way down here. Okay, Bitcoin did indeed reverse. We got a reversal. We said that we were looking for an impulse upwards. We did get an impulse upwards, and we have that price action sort of playing on itself. So we've got a pump consolidation, and we're looking for another pump. Okay, Bitcoin is an impulsive price action. What does that mean? Technically speaking, it's forming 5 waves up. Let's count them. Let's go on the 15-minute time frame just to count them. Okay, very quickly we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then you have your corrections, ABC corrections. Obviously, nothing just goes in a straight line, so don't expect it to. A, B, C. Okay, and then you obviously had some sort of diagonal. It's a little tricky. Initial, or what do they call it? A beginning diagonal or starting diagonal here, right, as the first wave, which is a little tricky for an entry. But, this is a kind of set it and forget it situation. This is the smartest thing to do in my estimation. Okay, so you have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kind of in a diagonal. Then you have your third wave, okay, which is as impulsive as we've gotten thus far. Now you have your fourth wave correction, okay, and you're going to get one more wave. And this wave, I believe, just going back on the hourly time frame, this next wave we're getting, so let's delete some of this stuff so we're a little clear. The next wave, whatever it may be, and I say whatever it may be because it's not always easy to count while you're printing them, okay? And it's not always the most practical thing. It's easy, it's good to count so you can make entries and exits. Just give you an example. If this is indeed 1 and this is a 2 wave, you expect Bitcoin to correct here, not beyond the 382, and you see that it's respected the 382. So it would be good to make an entry here if you're not yet involved, for instance. However, it's not the best thing to just count 5 and take profit, because you can get extended waves, you can get starting diagonals, you can get all kinds of things, right? Price action, that's what makes it fun. You never know what you're going to get. But there are certain rules or principles, and there's some rules, few rules, some principles that can help you navigate all of this price action. In any case, as I was saying, the next target, whatever it may be, maybe it's the end of this third wave that we're in, if we are in a third wave. It's not that important. What's really important is that we're going up, and the approximate target, in my estimation, is around the 618 of the drop, which is around 58K. So it's kind of a set it and forget it situation. I think the next place we're going, and before another pit stop, is probably this 50,200 region. And I'm only saying that because of this inverse head and shoulders that we clearly have here. I'm going to draw out. I think this one's quite clear, and most analysts would say that that is indeed an inverse head and shoulders. So, oops. It's not easy to draw these, and okay, something like that. I've drawn prettier ones, but you get the idea. So yeah, the idea is you find a good entry and you set it and forget it. I wouldn't necessarily try to trade in and out of this price action because for the very reason that we've been in a lot of consolidation. So if you look here, all of this serves as resistance, right? There's all of this buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling, making a lot of, resistance for price action. So when it's going into this, it has to start and stop quite a bit before getting free. I don't think we see really strong upward price action and smooth upwards price action until we breach this range of about 54,000. So and by then, maybe not 54,000, maybe 52,000, something like that. And then by then, we're almost to our target of 58, which is there. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing with Bitcoin. That's what I'm seeing with the rest of the market. I do expect for us to have an impulsive sort of green New Year's and beginning of the year, and until we get to this region, right, this upper region right here, I just expect upwards price action and consolidation. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at the charts. I'm long on Bitcoin because it's impulsive in nature, or I'm anticipating impulsive price action. There are other assets that are going to be the same, but not everything's going to be the same. So just word to the wise, some assets are on their way down already because they've hit their target. So I hope you guys have a great New Year's Eve, a safe New Year's Eve, and that 2021 was full of good experiences that you took lessons from and you used to make 2022 that much better. I wish you all the best. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for listening. Thank you for liking the videos. Thank you for commenting. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.